Most people get this wrong. They think Cash-BNPL is just another buy now, pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it's a hybrid platform for fast wage access, clear fees, and optional budgeting tools designed to avoid debt traps. Here's how it works. Cash-BNPL lets you access earned wages instantly, often within hours. It charges a transparent flat fee per advance rather than high interest rates. In 2026, the app also offers repayment alerts, spending notifications, and guidance to help users manage short-term financial needs responsibly. The downside? Frequent use can become expensive. Many users underestimate how small fees accumulate over time, and missed repayments can limit future access or trigger extra fees. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only withdraw what you genuinely need and can repay promptly. 2. Use built-in alerts to track repayment and avoid fees. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on Cash-BNPL. Who should consider it? People with steady paychecks who occasionally need quick cash. If your income is irregular or you struggle with discipline, this service could end up costing more than it helps. In conclusion, Cash-BNPL in 2026 can be a practical tool for bridging short-term cash gaps, but only if used responsibly. Stick to repayment plans, monitor fees, and treat it as an emergency tool rather than a regular source of income. Subscribe for more reviews and smart financial tips.